Hey everyone, so today let's go ahead and unbox the Vivo V17. Now this is a smartphone that comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage as mentioned on the box. So that's what's on the box. Let's see what's inside of it. So the packaging itself is pretty amazing. It's also got the IPL branding. So let's just put that off to the side for now. And when you take off the box, you actually get this nice little black case which has the V17 logo on it, and on the inside you have the TPU case and this little thing which actually has the Type-C cable on the inside. So everything is actually packaged very neatly in here, which is pretty awesome. So we're not going to mess with that. Let's just leave that here. Then inside the case you have the phone itself. Let's go ahead and take that out. Unfortunately, there is no way to take it out without tipping the thing over. So that's the Vivo V17, and it's actually a fairly gorgeous looking device. So it's got a quad camera setup on the back, the Vivo branding on the side. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and put that over here. Underneath this little paper cutout, we also have a charger, and it's a 18-watt charger again. So that's 18 watts of charging, and you also have a pair of included earphones, which is pretty awesome because these days not a lot of manufacturers are bundling earphones in the box of the packaging. So that's essentially what you're gonna get inside the box of the Vivo V17. You've got the phone, you've got a TPU case, you've got the charger, a fast charger that is, and even earphones. So typically if you buy this phone, there is not going to be much else you would need to sort of spend your money on, whether it's audio or whether it's protection, because the phone also comes with a screen protector pre-applied. So that's pretty amazing. And on the back you have a host of cameras which should be good enough for you to take photos at pretty much any occasion that you so choose. So that's pretty great. So hopefully you found this unboxing informative and it's helped you to make a decision on whether to buy the Vivo V17 or not. And from our perspective, it's a fairly well packaged device, and of course in terms of its performance, that's a topic for another video. Thank you guys for watching this video.